everyone, it's Rachel and welcome to my channel True Body. For today's video, I'm going to show you what an entire week of groceries look like for me. Part of True Body is feeling really amazing with yourself. That comes with exercise, but it also comes with what we consume. You'll see throughout the video the items that I select for my week. Fresh fruits and fresh vegetables, and you'll also see items such as raw nuts and also dried fruits. A lot of the items that I choose end up turning into fresh vegetable juices like this one with kale, apple, cucumber, and ginger. Also various salads, smoothies, and healthful desserts. So I'll get ready right now to show you what my week of groceries looks like. So here's a look at what my week of grocery shopping looks like. Here I have oranges and tangerines as well as avocado, bananas, and I like to buy my bananas slightly spotted because they're so much sweeter and they make fantastic smoothies. Here I have a bowl of lemons, apples, ginger, and turmeric. Ginger and turmeric are really great to reduce inflammation, and I'll probably use that in a juice. Here I have a variety of tomatoes. This is a hydroponic butter lettuce. Some garlic and onions as I make and saute various dishes throughout the week. Here I have corn, a zucchini, kale, and cucumber. I'll probably use the cucumber and the kale in juices, 2 stalks of celery, which I'll be juicing, a pineapple, strawberries and blueberries. Here I have fresh coconut, mango, and these here are yellow honeydew melons. And these are the dry ingredients I purchased for the week. Here you'll see my dates. I use these to make desserts and also incorporate in smoothies. Raw almonds, and I'll be making raw almond milk with those. Blueberry granola, peanuts with sesame seeds, dried apples, and a jar of dried mango. So this is what my week of grocery shopping looks like. I'll be using some of these ingredients to make juices, to make smoothies. Other things I haven't quite decided yet. I'll probably make a salad. I'll probably make guacamole with the avocados. But this is what my week of grocery shopping looks like. So I hope that you found this video to be helpful. I hope it gave you some ideas of some fresh fruits and vegetables that you can incorporate into your diet. Don't forget to follow me on social media, give this video a thumbs up, and you can also check me out on my website, truebodypilates.com. That's where you can find other healthy recipe videos, workout videos, and my latest events. I'll see you next time. Bye!